We're really proud to be partners with Univision, and we power Uvideos.com, which is their digital operations for all things Univision online, both live and VOD. That includes entertainment and sports, their Deportes properties, and news for Noticias. And we were really excited to work with them because obviously they're the fastest growing broadcast network, their demographic is exploding, and they have a tremendous desire. Their audience wants to consume their programming anywhere, anytime, across all sorts of different devices. And they also have the World Cup coming up this summer, which is going to they'll probably be the largest broadcaster around the world showing the World Cup because of the size of and passion of the American Hispanic audience. What we worked for them was we rebuilt Uvideos.com to be really structured around TV everywhere and implemented what Univision calls advantage windows, which is a really sophisticated way of implementing different levels of access based on what cable operator you have, and allows them to do free or promotional access to content for some things, and then if you get to a certain level of depth or want to watch a certain level of things, they can tweak when that cable window comes on, and you have to say that you're a subscriber to your MVPD. It's really clever and it's really innovative. The discussion this week has been about HBO Go failing, right, or having trouble during its streaming for Game of Thrones, supposedly because people are passing around authentication credentials. I think we should ask HBO whether that's really the case before we say that that's what happened. I think that to some extent, obviously you have people, it's unavoidable, you have people passing credentials around, but I think that the main thing is that what you're seeing is a demand for people to have pay television. And so they may be passing the credentials around, but I think what we're seeing and what we've done with Foxtel, for example, in Australia, is we launched a brand new service called Presto that comes at a price point that's designed exactly at the person who is the cord never. So they're a young person who never subscribed to pay television, and Australia is an interesting market in that they have very low pay TV penetration. They're coming directly into the market with an affordable price offering that has the best movies possible. That's right for the subscriber. And I think it tackles the issue in a clever way, which is to say people are willing to pay for television and they want to watch premium content. They're sharing authentication credentials because they want to watch Game of Thrones. If they want to watch premium content, you can give it to them at a price that they're willing to pay for, even if they're a younger person who never subscribed before. Tackle it that way rather than focusing around the fact that people might be sharing credentials. I think the signal is there that it's not this either or, people won't pay for television or they will. I think it's a sliding scale, and you've got to give people different offerings at different price points that are right for them, like we worked with Foxtel to deliver Presto. We're really happy to have Microsoft become the third platform that we use for our cloud infrastructure. And I think one of the things you see here at the 2014 NAB show is this move, of a lot of discussion about things moving to the cloud. So things that were formerly on-prem, you see people like RGB that have been selling equipment for years are now saying that they have cloud services. Well, we've been in the cloud our entire existence. We've always offered things that are only based as software as a service. There's nothing on-prem, and now we're seeing the market really come to us, and we're happy to have Microsoft and the Azure set of services for Windows Azure Media, transcoding what they can do with live, what they can do with compute capacity. We've added that behind the scenes, and it gives us a whole range of different options in terms of where different markets we can serve, different price points that we can balance in addition to what we do with Amazon and with Telstra. And most importantly, they've got a great customer base of media and entertainment customers who want to work with Microsoft, and Microsoft sees us, having worked with some of the largest, most successful media companies in the world, as a perfect partner to go in there to deliver cloud-based services that happen this time to be powered by Azure.